What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe Express account. So first you need to head over to your Stripe and then you simply need to log in with your Stripe's account's credentials. And after that, when you are redirected to the home page, you need to click on settings. And after clicking on settings, you just simply need to find the connect option here in the product settings. But if you can't find it, you can just search it in the search bar by just simply typing connect, and then you can just click on settings, connect and onboarding options. But if you find it, you just simply need to click on it once to open the connect section. Now after opening the connect section, you just simply need to go to onboarding options, and after clicking on onboarding options here, you will see all the countries. You can just choose the specific country that you live in, because Stripe has different rules for all the countries and different money policies for all the countries. So when you have chosen your country, you can choose the payments, and after that you can set up your product. And when you are done, you can just simply click on the save button here on the right side at the bottom. And when the details are saved, you can just head back and then you can click on Express Dashboard. After clicking on Express Dashboard here, the branding section of your Express Dashboard will open. From here, you can customize the Express Dashboard for your connected accounts. So if you have any connected accounts, you can just simply customize your Express Dashboard. But other than that, your Express account has been connected to Stripe. So this is how you can create a Stripe Access account or Stripe Express account. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.